one of the things that I've resolved is that for the next generation of technology, I want us to build and have more control over the next set of platforms that we're going to build. So I think AI is a critical one.
You just heard Mark Zuckerberg talk about closed AI systems. In this video, we're going to be breaking down why he thinks OpenAI is so important. Not the company, open source AI. We'll talk about how companies like Apple are pushing him to double down on this idea, and what Meta's newest AI model, LLaMA 3.1, means for the future. We'll also explore the history of open versus closed systems and check out some benchmarks to see how LLaMA 3.1 stacks up against the competition. Let's dive in. This is Silicon Society. The debate between closed and open systems has been around for a long time. In the early days of computers, Unix was all about openness, letting users explore and customize. Meanwhile, Apple's closed systems offered a more polished experience, but kept users out of the inner workings. This set the stage for how we use technology today. Now, the same kind of debate is happening in AI. Closed AI systems, like those from OpenAI or Google, are powerful, but keep their technology hidden. They work well, but they limit user control and transparency. This is where Zuckerberg's point of view comes into play. He believes in making AI open source and accessible to everyone, much like Unix did for early computers. Meta's LLaMA models challenge the idea that AI should be closed off, pushing for a future where AI tools are available to everyone. For Zuckerberg, open source AI isn't just an option, it's crucial. He thinks that by sharing AI with more people, getting more developers on board, we can all benefit and push the technology further. But how does LLaMA 3.1 actually perform? In benchmarks, LLaMA 3.1 stands out. It was trained on over 15 trillion tokens and can compete with top AI models like GPT-4o and Claude 3.5. With a 128,000 token context window and improved multilingual support, it's designed to handle complex tasks as good as the closed models out there. Zuckerberg isn't just keeping up. He's pushing back against the idea that AI should be locked away. LLaMA 3.1 is about making AI a shared resource that everyone can improve together. So what's next? For developers, researchers, and companies, this push for open source AI is a chance to innovate. LLaMA 3.1 isn't just a tool, it's part of a growing ecosystem with 25 partners. AWS, NVIDIA, Google Cloud, they're all coming in to build these new applications. While the debate between closed and open systems isn't going away, leaders like Zuckerberg are advocating for sharing and more teamwork and more progress when it comes to these AI models. As we move further into the AI era, the choices we make today will shape tomorrow's technology. Will we see a world where AI is open source and available to everyone? Or will it be closed and controlled by a few corporations, allowed to dominate the ecosystem? Time will tell, but LLaMA 3.1 is making a stand.